like I haven't looked this cute in a long time. Hey everyone, today we're gonna do a Sabrina Carpenter inspired look video. Miss Ma'am is popping off. It's that me espresso, baby. I feel like Miss Sabrina is giving coquette. Everything's super girly. I love it. I've never really tried this, but I'm gonna do hair, makeup, and a fit. I went to Sephora and I got a bunch of products for this video, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do some show and tell, okay? I prepped my skin already. I don't have a primer because I just ran out, so I'm just gonna do my face makeup and we're just gonna get started. So starting off, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer, and I usually put it in these 4 areas of my face to start because I have rosacea, so I've got kind of facial redness. So that's where I'm gonna start. This is a foundation that I've been wearing forever. They actually discontinued this one. They made a new line for Bare Minerals. So I'm still trying to figure out the shade that I am because I bought one that was a little bit too dark. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply it. And if you guys have watched my videos, you know that my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna use this little brush to take the foundation and spread it around my eyebrows and kind of spread it along my face as well. Literally one of my best investments. You know when Beyonce said, I woke up like this? Lashes, brows, period. And then I put it underneath my eye too. Kind of foundations all over my face. Use the beauty egg, the beauty blender, and blend. Also blend down the neck so that it looks more seamless. I finished kind of blending on my face. I'm gonna use this little brush to blend the foundation. Gonna take a Q-tip, spray it with the facial spray, and wipe my eyebrows and my lips. Just gonna take this lip balm and moisturize my lips. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna brighten my under eyes and my nose and the corners of my mouth. So I'm gonna get started on the bronzer and contour my face a little bit. Not too crazy because I feel like Sabrina kind of wears like a more natural contour look. I'm gonna use this Tarte Amazonian Play Face palette. So under the jawline, I'm gonna contour my hairline. Let's contour the face a little bit. Brush upward. Just gonna contour the sides of my nose, underneath tip of my nose, and right here. I'm working late because I work night shift. I look so cute. I'm tired of shit. That's my remix, by the way. I posted that on my TikTok. Kind of popped off actually. So next up we have a very big step, which I feel like is Sabrina's signature. It's the blush. And I went to Sephora. I tried getting the Giorgio Armani cheek tint, 2 shades that apparently she wears, but it was sold out, so I had to compromise and look for something else. So I got this Kosas blush because I don't think I own a baby pink blush. Oh, so cute. So it's this Kosas baby pink blush in the shade Butterflies. It's a cool baby pink. It is a powder blush. I wanted a liquid blush, but the shade was the one that I liked that was still left at Sephora, so I have this. Then I have this Rare Beauty soft liquid blush, and I'm gonna put it on top of the baby pink. And I love Rare Beauty blush products. So Rare Beauty and Worth. So yeah, I'm gonna use these two. So as far as the blush application goes, we're just gonna go ham on this, okay? Sabrina is known for her pink ass cheeks, so I'm just gonna go crazy. It's so pigmented too. Look at that, if you can see it a little bit. You're just gonna have to blend it out because the shit is pink as fuck. So this Kosas, it's super pigmented. Look at that. Just gonna keep blending. And next up, I'm gonna get my Rare Beauty and layer it on top. You wanna see what it looks like a nude. Just gonna dot it there. Blend it a little bit with my beauty blender. If you do use the Rare Beauty liquid blush in any color, it's super pigmented, blends so easily. It's gonna go in and bronze my face a little bit more. And then Sabrina also released a song called Please 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 Please. That song is a banger in itself. It's giving little country twang because I beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker. It's giving like Baby Lock Them Doors. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty highlighter. Looks like this. Mesmerized. Wow, look at that. Wow. Kind of got like a pearl, like a rose gold hue to it. It's very gorgeous. And of course, highlight down the bridge of my nose a little bit. Those are fireworks, I promise. Then I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow primer from Sephora. I don't really use primer, but I just got it at Sephora because I was there. So this is one Sabrina Carpenter eye makeup tutorial that I really like, so I'm just gonna try it. So friends, I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette. It's got a lot of pink hues that I want to use for this look. So yeah, I'm just gonna start off by putting a pink shade in the crease, and then I'm gonna use another brush and I'm gonna layer right above it too. Then I'm gonna do pink glitter on the lid. See that? Then I'm gonna go in with rose gold glitter on the lid. Just gonna put more of the pink eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use one specific shade in this Constellation Morphe X Pony palette. It's discontinued, but this one right here, very glittery corner of the eye. More glitter because why the fuck not? It's really pretty. Wow. I think I'm gonna pack the inner corner with that ish. I do have lash extensions, so it's gonna be a little different because Sabrina obviously has a more natural lash look, but I will keep going. Use like a wing liner but with eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the same palette to do so. Let's hope I don't fuck this up because wing liner is hard. A little black, tap the excess. Just gonna do a little bit. Too crazy. My wing liner, and then I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer. I'm gonna put mascara on the lower lash line. I don't typically do that because I feel like I don't really have lashes, but I'm just gonna try. I'm using this Sephora waterproof mascara for my lower lash line. This is my mascara face. I just have to clean it up because it's all messy. Line my lower lash line with pink eyeshadow too, just to spice it up a little bit. How could I forget? Just using the same shades that I use in my crease. Brush it out with a spoolie. Mascara on my bottom lash line it's just never worked for me, but I just did it for the video. Sabrina is known for her feathered brows, and I don't have eyebrow glue but have hair wax, so I'm just gonna try it. And my eyebrows are done, so this might not even look good. I'm trying to give it that like feathered look a little bit. Yeah, it is not staying, but I am just brushing my brows up a little bit. I tried. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use this Nivea. It's clear. Moisturize my lips. I wore like a tinted one earlier, but I just don't want to make my lips too much of that color. I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from Morphe called Sweet Tea. If you're curious to see what it looks like, I've definitely used this before in a video. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Sephora shade. It's called Too Good to Be True. So originally I wanted to get the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in Fair because Michaela on TikTok, she did a Sabrina Carpenter look and that's the one she used, but that shade was out. So I just got like a dupe. This is what it looks like. I wanted a satin lip too, but they didn't have it. To top it off, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty gloss. And I think I want to make my cheeks a little bit more of that baby pink look. So it's always going to be to touch, right? I can't really start giving Sabrina until I do my hair. I turned the lights on in my room. I just didn't realize this is what it looks like with the lights on. Obviously, I don't have the same features as Sabrina Carpenter, but it's that me espresso. And then obviously I put a bow in my hair just to embody Sabrina. I've never curled my hair like this, so we're just gonna fuck around and find out, y'all. Come with me to the bathroom, let's go. I'm gonna use my 1.5-inch curling iron from Hot Tools, and I already sprayed my hair with heat protectant. I bought these rollers and pins from Amazon, so we'll give it a try or whatever. The tutorial I'm watching is from Yesenia Hippolito, and she's using her curling iron and curling inward, which I've never done before. And then after she curls her hair, she'll pin it. I don't know. We're just gonna figure this out. I feel like my eye makeup is giving baby doll. It's definitely the mascara and the bottom lashes, which I never do because I have no bottom lashes. This lip is so pretty too. She said to clamp and roll inwards. What it looks like. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna pin my hair. I need to get better at this because I definitely want to wear this look out. Clamp it in the center. Pull the hair in. I guess. I don't know. Yeah, being a girl is so hard. Guys literally wake up, wash their face with 5-in-1, and they look fine as fuck. Like, that's crazy. I know we all feel lighter, like a feather, without someone out of our lives. She ate with that one. Ooh, clean version. She's a little sucker. Sabrina Carpenter, pop princess. She's taking over the world right now. Truly an icon. I just rolled my front pieces inward because I have long pieces, and I'm gonna put it in a roller and let's see how it looks after. I think this is what she did. She rolled it inward. 360 view. I'm just gonna leave my hair in for 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like when I'm done. I low-key look like George Washington right now. George Washington with boobs. Yeah. The moment of truth. And this is my little Sabrina outfit. I feel like maybe I pinned it too hard and my hair looks kind of got that dent in it, but whatever. Oof. Yeah, I definitely feel like I should have alternated the way that I curled my hair, but still, my hair looks really big, really voluminous. A moment of truth. Wow, look at me. I honestly think that I did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna hairspray my hair. Yeah, I feel like I need to alternate my clamping so that they're in opposite directions, but it does not look bad. I forgot a lot of steps actually. I forgot to set my face with powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. I also could have set my under eyes and the sides of my nose. Man, I just forgot, guys. Typically I would do that, but I mean, whatever. I look okay. So this is my completed look. What do you guys think I did? Clearly, I'm not white. I'm Asian. I'm Filipino. But I tried to do my best with this makeup look. We have very different features. And I put on this set that I got from Pretty Little Thing, which I'll stand up and show you. I think I look so cute right now. When Sabrina released her Espresso single, her cover art was a picture of her, you know, doing the... And she's wearing a white trim strapless dress. I'm literally obsessed. I'm obsessed. I feel so cute. I can't speak English anymore. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, you motherfucker. Or little sucker for doing the PG version.
Peep the highlight.